Extends to 38 inches, 97 centimeters, for new perspectives and to get you closer to the action. Collapses to 15 inches, 38 centimeters, so it's easily packable for on-the-go use. Includes an integrated ball and socket design at the end of the pole, allowing you to make adjustments or swivel your GoPro 360-degree without having to stop and unmount your camera. Premium oversized grip allows you to comfortably use two hands to hold El Grande for a better overall experience. Twist lock designed for quick and easy use. Durable and waterproof. Awesome for skiing, snowboarding, skateboarding and biking, handheld or strapped to a backpack. Perfect for riding waverunners or wakeboarding on the lake, or extending your reach for adventure selfies while hiking. Top reviews from the United States. I bought this extension pole after purchasing a GoPro Hero Black 7. My intentions are pretty simple: use it while hiking and snowboarding. I might update this review when I get a chance to use it in the wild. First impressions: it's made really well. I needed something sturdy enough to survive the occasional drop or wipe out. I like the change in dimensions at the very bottom, it feels comfortable. The most underrated part of this piece is the rubber coating. I can already tell that grip won't be an issue. I recommend spending the extra money on quality by buying the El Grande.